Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at WordArt, how we can use WordArt in our Microsoft Word document. Right, so I'm going to take you through this step by step. Right, so very important. Right, as you can see, this is our Microsoft Word document. So we're going to be going through it step by step. Right, the first thing that you wanted to do is to come to the top of the screen. Right, if you notice, it's a file, home, insert, design. All of these are known as tab. When I click on the tab, it brings down the ribbon. Within the ribbon, there are groups. So we're going to click on the Insert tab right here. When I click on the Insert tab, here you go, the ribbon. You're going to come all the way over here. So there is a text. Right, so remember, it's word that you're looking for. You notice right here. You can literally click it. You notice it show right here. You can add, right, different type of word art, but I want to click on the little pointer. When you click on the little pointer, you're going to show a different style. Alright, if you notice, but in some version it kind of slight different. Right, if you notice right here, so if I select this one, you notice, come right here, I can literally move this, put it right there, I can move it, come right there, notice I can put it right up here. Now that, if I want to get rid of that, don't think that I have to do, just press the box space and get rid of it. Alright, go back again, and then I get a different one, like that. I'm going to type something inside of it now. Right, so welcome to our school. Now we actually have that now. Now when you click outside, you notice right now, you haven't seen anything. Can you click back again, you can actually come like this, put it up here. You can actually put it out at the edge right here. You can put it anywhere you want to put it. You notice? Just like that. You put it like at top of the page. And you come, just same. Yeah, so this is the advantage of WordArt right here. And not only that, if you want to curve this, what you can do definitely, just simple block it. You're going to come all the way right up. You notice right here, the word art shape. You come right here and you click. You notice you come right down here, so that's a transform. Alright, if you notice this one right up here, you click it. Alright, and then you're going to put the cursor right at the end right here. And then you're going to hold it down and drag it down like that. You notice it start to curve, just like that. You can actually see like that. Just like that. So this is how you actually use the word art right here in your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.